I think I forgot I was recording this, so I ended up doing the rest of it off camera, but I just used a stamp. I added some stamping on here. I put the border around with a stamp. And then I had a bunch of cutout letters, so I just put on here True Friends because they just look like they would be buddies. And yeah, that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll chat with you again on the next one. Take care. Bye.